Today's video is about a very common doubt that most of us have about psychology and psychiatry. The common assumption is that a psychologist and a psychiatrist are same, as they both treat mental disorders. But have you ever wondered, if a psychologist and a psychiatrist both treat mental disorders, then why are they two different professional degrees? How do they differ? Do you know who is legally authorized to prescribe you medications for mental illness? Which career will suit you the best, psychologist or a psychiatrist? Keep watching as we'll answer each of your doubts related to psychology career in this video. We will also highlight the key differences in educational qualification required for both the professions. The first and the most important difference between a psychologist and a psychiatrist is the approach in the way of treatment. A psychiatrist is a doctor of medicine and is legally equipped to prescribe medications to patients. On the other hand, a psychologist treats their patients only through psychotherapy, based on various psychometric tests. They are not allowed to prescribe medicines. Who deals with more complex psychological conditions? The one who deals with more complex psychological conditions is a psychiatrist. A psychiatrist cures severe mental disorders like schizophrenia, obsessive compulsive disorder, bipolar disorder, severe depression, severe anxiety, and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. These disorders respond well to medications. Since psychologists are not allowed to give medicines, they conduct various psychological tests to diagnose the patient and treat them through therapy. The psychometric tests help a psychologist to know the personal attributes of a person, their likes and dislikes, and mental state. They cure by using different therapies such as cognitive behavioral therapy, psychodynamic therapy, and many more. In severe cases where medication is recommended, a psychologist might refer the patient to a psychiatrist. In such cases, a psychologist and a psychiatrist both work in parallel. To get the best results, psychologist and psychiatrist often work as a team. Third difference is how vast is the career field of both. Is it restricted to only treating mental disorders? Psychiatrists primarily deal with mental disorders. They are medical doctors, and within the domain of medicine, their specialization is mental health, and their work only concerns that. But for psychologists, dealing mental disorder is a part of only one branch of psychology, which is clinical psychology. They have other specialization courses as well. For example, consumer psychology, forensic psychology, educational psychology, or criminal psychology. Now let's talk about the difference in educational qualification of both the profession. To be a psychiatrist, you will first have to complete your MBBS followed by an MD in psychiatry. To build a career as a psychologist, you need to have a bachelor's degree in psychology followed by a master's degree in psychology. To practice as a clinical psychologist, you require an additional 2 years of study to obtain an MPhil in clinical psychology. Now let's discuss how to choose between a career in psychology and psychiatry. How can you decide which career option will suit you the best? A career in psychology would best suit someone interested in talking through a patient's personal issues. A psychologist should have a genuine interest in their people and have empathy for their problems. A career in psychiatry would best suit someone with an interest in the clinical side of treating mental issues and with an inclination toward the scientific and medical aspects of diagnosis and treatment. Also, we must accept the fact that both these professions are equally important. A psychologist and a psychiatrist working together as a team can handle a patient more effectively. So these were some of the major differences between a psychologist and a psychiatrist. I hope this video will help you in choosing the right career option for yourself. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with those who may find it helpful.